scan. This is the Toyota Amlux showroom. We've got a lot of Formula One cars here, and this is just beautiful. Look at that wicked wing on the back of this sucker. That's so cool. That's awesome. It just looks like a little minivan. There's Brian. Hey, Brian. And that's it for now. See you later.